So far, you've built the appointment scheduler agent solution, where you've an agent, appointment check workflow as a tool, and context in the form of email templates. Let's now publish our agentic solution to Orchestrator and further learn how to execute the solution post-publishing. In Studio Web, go to your appointment scheduler agent solution. Click Publish. This will package and publish the solution to Orchestrator in your selected workspace. Provide a suitable value for changelog and ensure that the relevant tenant is selected. You can also tweak the version. Publish your agent. You get a Solution Package Created Success message reflecting the package name and version. Click Check Package. You can see your solution package. Now deploy the agent by selecting the Deploy Package option. We have kept the deployment name same. For destination, we'll select Shared, because that's where connections were made for our tools. We have left the root folder name same as the solution. Let's review the configurations. All the solution components like workflows, agents, indexes, connections are listed here. You can select any component and edit its configurations if required. Before deploying the solution, let's validate it once. Currently, anytime you deploy a solution with an index, you'll encounter this validation error. It's a temporary issue owing to the evolving nature of the product. To clear it, click on Edit followed by Use Existing. Validate the solution again. This time, there are no errors. Go ahead and deploy the solution. You can see that the solution is successfully deployed. Next, you need to activate the deployment. Provide the confirmation for activation and activate deployment. After a few seconds, you'll see that your deployed solution is active. Go to your solution under Shared folder and select Automations. You can see all the processes which are part of your agentic solution. From here, you can execute your solution. But do you remember the starting point of your solution? It's the appointment reply workflow. We recommend using a better naming convention which aids in this differentiation. Before you execute, there are some last-minute changes which need to be made for each process listed here. Let's start with Appointment Check Workflow. Click here and select Edit. Click Next. On the Package Requirements page, you can see the status for the Microsoft OneDrive connection is Unknown. Click on the drop-down and select the appropriate connection which you defined earlier for this project. Then you need to select the appropriate workbook, which in our case is the Appointments workbook. Observe that the status is now Available. Once done, click on Update. Next, edit the Appointment Reply workflow. Under the Package Requirements page, make the necessary configuration changes. The workbook in this case will be Customer Emails. Click on Update. Similarly, edit the Appointment Scheduler agent. Here, you need to overwrite the index by selecting it again. Select your respective index. The status is now available. Update the changes. With everything set, let's execute our solution. Recall that Appointment Reply workflow is the starting point of our solution. So, for this workflow, click on Start a Job. Ensure that you've an unattended robot account and a serverless machine allocated against your Orchestrator workspace. Click on Start. You'll see the execution starts. Based upon each record encountered in the Customer Emails workbook, the agent and the Appointment Check workflow tool gets executed. After some time, you'll see the status as successful against all the processes, part of your solution. You can view more details by selecting a specific process. For example, under Job Details, you can see that Jason's appointment cancellation request returned Appointment Not Found, because Jason's details are not present in the Appointments workbook. The job graph shows the logic flow followed. Under Trace, you can see your agent's response for the respective request. So that's how you can publish and execute your agentic solution. Thanks for watching.